Clearing the browser's internet history is never enough. Every click, every search, still saved. Here is how to completely erase your internet history and become a digital ghost. First step, go to the following address. I will put the link for you in the description of this video. To effectively remove your activity from your online records, click on the Delete button. Click on Filter by Google Product to select a specific history like Google Maps, hotels, video search, etc. Then click on the Apply button. Or select the time period, then delete it. You also have the option to clear your entire internet history if you wish. Step 2. How to stay private. 1. Turn off Google Activity Tracking. You can turn off tracking the web and app activity, location history, and YouTube history. 2. Turn on Auto Delete. Go to the following address. I will put the link for you in the description of this video. And choose an Auto Delete option to keep your old history clean. Stay safe online and protect your privacy. Be a digital ghost.